transfection with polyplexes. This method, it is most important. The reason is that here we can control the particle size of the chemicals. If we compare it with the previous method, that is calcium phosphate mediated uptake, that sometimes can adversely affect the cell lines or animal cells. कि बाज़ दफ़ा सारी की सारी जो सेल्स हैं या सेल टाइप्स हैं उनको कैल्शियम मीडिएटेड डीएनए अपटेक से ट्रांसफेक्ट करवाना जो है वो पॉसिबल नहीं होता. उसकी रीज़न ये है कि कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट मीडिएटेड अपटेक जिसमें प्रेसिपिटेट्स बनते हैं ये सेल्स को एडवर्सली अफेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो इसकी वजह से कुछ ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड्स जो हैं वो डेवलप किए गए. And one of the method, it is based on polyplexes. Now, what are polyplexes? Mainly, they are polycatonic compounds that can form soluble complexes with the DNA. And then, the uptake of such complexes are there. कि polycatonic compound हम use करते हैं जो कि DNA से interact करके soluble complex बना देते हैं. तो इस तरह की जो डीएनए की जो अपटेक जो मीडिएट होती है इसको टेक्निक को हम नाम देते हैं polyplexes method. Now, the first polycatonic compound that was used, it was a carbohydrate, a type of dextran, and commonly it is called as DEAE, that is diethyl aminoethyl dextran. So it is a type of polycatonic carbohydrate that is soluble in nature. And this polycatonic compound was used first to transfer the viral DNA or RNA into the animal cells. And later on, this polyplexes technique that was based on DEAE dextran. It was also used to transfer plasmid DNA into the animal cell lines. Now, there is one disadvantage of the use of some polycatonic compounds like the DEAE. The reason is that the transfection that is mediated by this carbohydrate, जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि DEAE, इससे जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होती है वो स्टेबल नहीं होती. यानी कि वो नेक्स्ट जो डॉटर सेल्स हैं उसमें विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम जो रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए हमने इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया होता है वो लूज कर जाता है. या दूसरे अल्फाज में ये कहें कि जर्म लाइन्स जिनसे गैमीट्स बनते हैं उनमें ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन स्टेबली ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं होती या ट्रांसफर नहीं होती. तो इसकी वजह से DEAE का जो मेथड था इसको इतना फेवर नहीं किया गया. एंड देन इट वाज रिप्लेस्ड विद अदर polycatonic compounds or chemicals. Then next generation of polycatonic compounds were introduced that have the ability to transform variety of cell types, either post-mitotic cells or proliferating cells like the neurons or myoblasts or myocytes. Myocytes, they are the cells that can constitute the muscle cells. Now, what type of polycatonic compounds were used to replace DEAE dextran? So, variety of compounds are now available that you can purchase commercially to perform this technique of polyplexes. One of the example is poly-L lysine, which is an amino acid which is positively charged, and some other compound like spermine, they can be used for this purpose. In addition to that, several synthetic compounds are available like polyamines. In addition to that, PEIs compounds and some dendrimers. So if we take the example of polyamines, they are the compounds or organic chemicals that provide several amine groups that are positively charged. और इस तरह के जो बहुत सारे अमाइंस हैं पोलीअमाइंस पे जो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज्ड हैं, ये डीएनए जो कि प्रीडोमिनेंटली नेगेटिवली चार्ज है उसके साथ ये इंटरैक्ट करके कॉम्प्लेक्स बना देते हैं। इसी तरह से अगर हम पीईआईज की एग्जांपल देखें तो इसमें बेसिकली ये हाइड्रोकार्बन्स हैं जो कि स्ट्रेट चेन हो सकते हैं या ब्रांच्ड हो सकते हैं, और इनमें हर थर्ड पोजीशन पे नाइट्रोजन है जो कि एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज प्रोवाइड करता है फॉर इंटरेक्शन विद डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल्स। तो इसी तरह से एक और कंपाउंड जो कि बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है डेंड्रोमर्स, ये एक मल्टी लेयर्ड कंपाउंड है, वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स इन नेचर, एंड इट आल्सो प्रोवाइड several amine groups, and mainly it is spherical in shape, and comparatively it is easy to manage its size shape so that particle size can be controlled, and transformation it is relatively more stable as compared to some early reported polycatonic compounds. And this technique, it is not only can be used for the transfection of animal cells, but in vivo, in the living organism, this technique can also be applied. In short, we can say that what is polyplexus technique? Here we are going to use some polycatonic compounds that may be a variety of type that form soluble complexes with DNA that is later on internalized by the animal cells by the process of endocytosis.